Hey YouTubers, this is Molly. She's a goat that helped start our little farm, and today she had her babies. Two little cute kids. The other one's nursing. Look at that tail wag. It's a nice day in the high 80s. Molly's enjoying a little bit of grain. We give them a little bit of sweet feed and a bowl of warm cow's milk after they have a baby. Help get their strength back up. And Molly kind of figured she was going to have her babies today. When I let everybody else out to the field, she came back, and it's kind of funny. I told my wife a while ago I thought she was nursing Snickers babies. Our other goat had her babies a week ago, and she was nursing her own babies. She had the babies, cleaned up everything herself, and there she is. Molly. Molly. Hey Molly. She's a good mama. Here's Snickers. Here's her babies a week later. Look how big they are compared to Molly's babies. She had two females. I have not yet checked to see what Molly has. Look here in just a moment. Snickers! Snickers!